Good afternoon to all of you. Myself Jasin, Assistant Professor, Department of Hotel Management. In today class, we discuss introductions of travel agents and its concept. First of all, we discuss about introduction. The term travel agent and tour operator and traveler counselor, travel consultant, tour operator, handling agents, tour conductor, and pure wholesaler are used interchangeably throughout the travel and tourism industry. The term travel agents and tour operators has been defined differently by different scholars, writers, and thinkers in the academics and well as industry perspective. It is relatively a old term and concept used in tourism industry at global level. Over the period, due to its increasing relevance in travel and tourism domain, it has become the buzzword in the tourism and hospitality management literature. With the advancement in technology, the general trend towards globalization, change in industrial structure, change in demographic pattern, economic system, and deregulations of industry and sector. The travel agent and tour operator activities have increased around the globe. Today, travel agents and tour operators have been recognized as well appreciated as an important instrument for economic growth of a nation. Significantly, they create employment and play a vital role in the development of country economy. The recent changes with the travel industry, advent of jet aircraft, airlines, deregulations, information technology, globalization, merger and acquisition, consumerization, CRS, JDS, and so forth have transformed travel agents to operator business more sophisticated and competitive. The competitive nature of business has promoted the number of organizations to diversify their product lines towards travel industry. Therefore, a large number of travel agents and tour operators organizations have been established at a global level. Thus, recently travel agents and tour operators business have received a lot of attention from academics as numerous players have been invested in the tourism marketplace. The concept next is concept of travel agent and tour operator. The travel agent and tour operator concept and definition. A travel agent is a person, organization which organizes and sells travels like air, railway, tickets, transport, and accommodation to a tourist. Moreover, a travel agent is a form of business that sells travel related products and services, particularly packaged to tourists to behalf of travel supplies such as airline, hotels, tour operator, cruise liners, and other traveler vendors. In addition to dealing with ordinary tourism, most travel agents, depending on organizations, have a special department devoted to travel arrangements. Services for business travelers, while some agencies specialize in commercial and business travelers. Some agencies also serve as a general service agents for foreign travelers, companies in different countries. The travel agent is one of the most important person in the tourism industry, playing a significant and crucial role in entire process of convincing idea and promoting tourism product. In fact, a travel agent's practice and processes all core components of a product, service and present them to a tourist on behalf of travel vendors. In this way, it is converts a country attractions, accessibility, amenities into sellable commodities. Thus, the place of a travel agent is very prominent along the other types of intermediary operations involved in provisioning and selling of travel products and travel services. Thank you everyone. Today topic is over. If you like our content, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIT Academics.